126 traffic stop, 716 North Cherry.
Hey, mommy!
Get down! Get down!
Mommy!
Get down! Get
Mommy!
down!
He's Puerto Rican.
You need to go out there. It's just a simple traffic stop. I gotta give him a ticket for running a
What's
stop
the
sign.
Ay, no respiro. Ay, please. Dile que me va a poner al frente, mami.
I told you go stand
no.
over there before you get arrested too.
He doesn't speak
Go
English.
stand over there!
I don't speak English. Wow.
November 24th, 2025, O'Fallon, Missouri. A traffic stop becomes a constitutional test case. The central legal question: when does hot pursuit justify warrantless home entry?
How you doing? Stay in your car, dude. 126 traffic stop, 716 North Cherry.
Hey, mommy!
Get down! Get down!
Mommy!
Get down! Get
Mommy!
down! Come on!
No.
Come on!
No, my God.
No.
Hey, suave. Hey. Please.
He's a citizen.
126, send me a
Okay.
He's a U.S. citizen.
Come on!
Get a lawyer.
Get out here.
Get a lawyer. Get him a lawyer. I want to talk to your supervisor.
No.
He
Go
is a
outside.
U.S.
No.
He's Puerto Rican.
You need to go out there. It's just a simple traffic stop. I gotta give him a ticket for running a
What's
stop
the
sign.
Que paraste no te pares de una
Sir.
parada.
Go outside.
Stop.
Sí, pero. Pare.
Why are you getting so violent for a stop?
You're fleeing a traffic stop. Go outside.
Wait, he'll go out.
Go outside.
Vete, sal.
¿Dónde?
Sal para afuera.
Okay.
Para que te dé el ticket.
Okay. Ay. Ice era.
Not ice.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Look what you did.
Wow. Oh.
Back up. Turn around.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
What are you going to hit him for? No le pelees, no le pelees. No le pelees. Yo, what are you doing?
Ay.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't breathe. He has
Put your hands behind your back before you get tased. Back up. Back up.
He can't COPD. He can't breathe.
PD.
Let him get his eyes.
Please.
Under Missouri Revised Statutes 575.15, fleeing from police is a criminal offense. Valentine's Law, effective August 2024, elevated penalties for vehicle flight. The law states, no defense exists based on belief the stop was unlawful. Hot pursuit doctrine from Warden versus Hayden permits warrantless home entry. But does fleeing a stop sign violation create exigent circumstances? Courts balance severity of crime against intrusion into the home. Fourth Amendment gives homes the highest constitutional protection.
126, have him step it up. I'm fighting him.
What are you going to do? What are you taking him?
Let's go for mommy.
Huh?
Let's go.
Wear his glasses.
Oh,
He can't see without.
asthma.
Stand up.
Okay.
He needs his medication. Hold on.
Oh.
Can I give him his medication?
Oh.
Can I give him his...
Go stand over there.
Or can I give him...
Go stand over there.
Ay. Está bien. Wow. Date la llave. Fuera.
I'm secure, male detained.
Que no la tiene él.
Give me the...
Come on.
I need the copy.
Walk with me. Back up.
Ah. Ay. Mami, vente conmigo. Oh, está bien.
Stand over there.
Wow. Ay. Asthma. Oh. Sí. Please.
Food or
sí.
dose?
Dos. Ah. Ay. Ay, no respiro.
Graham v. Connor. Force judged from officer's perspective at the moment. 3 factors: crime severity, immediate threat, active resistance. Fleeing qualifies as active evasion under Graham analysis. Physical resistance inside home elevates threat assessment for officers. Pennsylvania v. Mims. Officers may order occupants from vehicles, but this extends only to lawful traffic stops, not home interiors. Medical emergencies create duty of care under Revere v. Mass General. Officers must balance scene security against genuine medical needs. Asthma claims require rapid assessment, not automatic restraint release.
Please. Dile que me la ponga al frente, mami. La llave de la casa, mami, toma. La tengo yo.
I told you go stand over there before you get arrested too.
He doesn't speak
Go stand over there.
No pique inglés. Wow. Ay, ay, ay. Quiero ver, por favor.
Yeah, I'm good. Hey, don't fucking grab. I'm not messing.
No pique inglés.
You do. Just hang tight.
him up. He's all scraped up and everything. Threw him on the floor and everything. Scraped them all up.
Well, I haven't had a chance to talk to him yet because he still put him in handcuffs. I can answer that question to you here in a few minutes, okay? Were you in the car?
No.
No, so you weren't a part of any of this? You just happened to watch it?
No, he just beat him up inside the house.
Beat him up inside the house. Okay,
He
let's...
even fucked the doorway.
Okay. All right.
Missouri law. Resisting arrest includes fleeing or using physical force. The statute applies regardless of arrest warrant or detention basis. Language barriers don't negate legal duty to comply with lawful orders. ICE confusion, while understandable, provides no legal defense. Valentine's law explicitly removes misunderstanding as a defense.
Go stand over there and I'll let you know in a second, okay? Oh, okay. The good thing is we have a lot of those, so but we'll work on that, okay? Does he have a license? Okay.
He's a U.S. citizen.
I didn't ask that. I didn't ask that question. I asked if he had a driver's license. So he would have had to understand that when red and blue lights come on behind you, what are you supposed to do?
He's supposed to stop.
Supposed to stop, yeah, and then not run into your house, yeah.
I guess he didn't. He got scared.
It doesn't matter. That's not an excuse. We're adults, right? You understand that?
Can I ask him why he didn't stop?
They'll work on that in a minute. It doesn't matter. There's no excuse to not stopping. So when people don't stop for the police, that's called violating the law. It's called resisting and obstructing, okay? And then if he goes into your house knowing that there's a squad car with red and blue lights on behind him, and you go in the house and close the door.
He was pushed into the house and beaten up inside my house.
Pushed into the house. Okay.
Yes, look,
Do you have that camera right there? Does that record?
No, I don't have the camera.
Oh, does it record? Okay.
You guys are supposed to have cameras on.
Well, yeah, I haven't had a chance to. Listen, I just had to run lights and sirens because my officer heard his emergency button because someone wasn't following lawful orders. So that's a problem. So right now, we're going to calm everything down, and then we're going to investigate, okay? So you're asking questions that you want an investigatory answer to that I don't have yet. So that's all going to take time. You want me to review cameras? You want me to look at cameras? The incident's still ongoing. So I'll be more than happy to answer every single one of those questions. But I could tell you just from the face value of it, this could all be prevented by doing what? By stopping, right? There we go. That's the common answer to this whole thing, okay? Maybe what? I want to hear the answer. There's no excuse. Young lady, how old are you?
I'm 68.
And how old is he?
61.
How long has he had a driver's license here?
All his life since he was 16.
So since he was 6, so 40.
Here in Eluding, he's been here 8 years.
8 years. So 8 years. And anywhere else in the United States, right? When red and blue lights come on behind you, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to stop, right? And when the police say stop.
Realize it. Could I ask him?
No. Are you his attorney?
No.
No, he's an adult, okay? So he's not a child, he's an adult, a person who has agreed to the rules of the road in the state of Illinois. He has an Illinois driver's license, okay? So he's advising that he understands the laws of the state of Illinois, right? So he's made a conscious decision not to stop. Now, again, I don't even know when the stop was initiated because I haven't gotten that far yet because I'm more concerned about my officer's safety, okay? That's my number one concern.
Mami, las llaves. Mami,
What's up?
las llaves están en el
I'm
carro.
already insane.
Las llaves están en el carro pegadas.
Jorge, go ahead and have a seat in the car, please. You're under arrest.
Now, you say he speaks no English at all. Does he understand words like stop, police?
Yes.
Okay, so the words stop and police should be pretty understandable. Would you agree with that? Okay. All right, as long as we're all on that same page. What's your name, young lady? Is this, you guys married or who is you?
We're married.
You're married? Okay. Do me a favor, okay? Give me a few minutes to talk to him, find out what happened on his end, and then I can answer some of your questions, okay? All right? So you gotta stay away from that side of the car, okay? All right, come over here for me. I want to hear your side of what you observed and where you were at when they came inside and all of that. Can you tell me that?
I was upstairs in my office and I hear this bang and everything. And he's yelling, and Nazi, help, Nazi, come down. And then the door's broken, and I see the cop on top of him. And
Where at?
Inside the house.
Inside the house?
Inside the house. And then he just starts dragging him. He threw him on the floor, and he couldn't breathe because he has asthma. And I asked the policeman to help let me get him his inhaler. And the cop said, no, I can't touch it. And I go, well, can you give it to him, please? Because you see, he can't breathe. He has COPD. So then the police officer finally gave it to him. And then I see them, they're cuffing him. He's all scraped up and everything from being dragged.
Was that out here or out there?
That was out here.
So you're telling me that Officer Finnan drug him out here?
Dragged him from outside,
him
threw
out
him
there.
on the floor, dragged him out here.
The entire time?
Yes.
And that's what the
Most of
video's
time.
going to show?
It's going to show that he pulled them out, threw them on the floor, pulled them back up. then
Okay,
threw them on
so
the floor again.
that's different than what you just told me. You said dragged him from the floor, dragged him out here on the floor. So he helped it. So after the initial scuffle inside, he stood him back up.
When he got outside, he threw him outside to the floor. Then he picked him up, and then when he picked him up over here, he jumped on him.
And put in handcuffs, yeah? Your husband didn't try to walk away or anything like that?
No,
Nothing at all?
No, he was just trying to get away from the police.
Why? But do you understand that getting away from the police officers when the police are telling you to do something?
He's not telling him anything. He
didn't tell him anything. Is what you're telling
He just.
Again, I'm trying to actually allow this to sink in for a minute. I don't tend to believe he just ramrodded into your house and drug your husband outside.
Pulled him out from there.
So he was standing at that point. Show me inside. Are there any weapons in there?
No.
No? Okay.
We're Christians. We don't.
Well, that doesn't. Christians have nothing to do with. I'm a Christian. I've got weapons, so that's why I'm asking. But you were upstairs when this. You what? So you were upstairs.
I was upstairs.
You didn't see any of that.
I heard.
You heard it. Okay.
He screamed. I heard this shuffle, this big bang. I don't know. Look at what he.
I see that.
I don't know
Yeah.
how I'm gonna close that door now.
Well, that's got to be. It's got a landlord to help you with that.
Do you speak English?
No.
Do you speak English enough that we can talk?
No sé. My wife, sí sabe.
Do you want a Spanish-speaking officer to help us out?
No sé. Inglés, no.
Okay.
I thought it was ice. I thought he's illegal. He's legal.
Why would you? Does this look like? This says O'Fallon police on it.
Sir, you know, with all the nose and everything like that, I don't know what to expect.
Well, I feel sorry for you that's your automatic assumption, but that's the police department in O'Fallon. We've worn the same uniforms for many years. Okay, so.
Well, we never had anything to do with.
Well, that's good,
police,
but
that's why.
it clearly says police, O'Fallon police on it. Okay, and it's in full police markings everywhere.
I'm
Okay,
sorry,
so
it's just,
it doesn't hurt my feelings. I'm just telling you that's kind of a silly claim to make that your automatic assumption was that it was ICE when you're both legal U.S. citizens. Why would that be a?
It's been, I've seen how they've taken U.S. citizens in and everything, and just that's the first thing that came to my mind.
Oh my goodness! Well, I'm so sorry that you feel that way, but nope, that's not the case here. So,
Tactical question. Should officers pursue into residence for traffic stop? Legal authority exists, but tactical wisdom may favor containment. Modern policing emphasizes de-escalation when public safety permits. Property damage during lawful entry raises civil liability questions. Officer grading: C-. Legally defensible, tactically questionable. Positive: lawful stop, hot pursuit authority, force within Graham standard. Concerns: home entry risk, delayed medical response, limited de-escalation. Subject grading: D. Fleeing created every subsequent problem. Initial flight violated clear legal duty to stop for emergency lights. Physical resistance compounded charges under Missouri Law 575.15. What began as a ticket became felony charges and trauma. Department grading: C. Body cameras provide accountability. Areas for review: pursuit policy, home entry guidance, medical protocols. Key lesson 1. Fleeing from police escalates minor violations to felonies. Key lesson 2. Hot pursuit authority doesn't mean it's always best tactic. Key lesson 3. Fear and confusion don't override legal obligations. Key lesson 4. Medical claims require quick assessment, not automatic release. Key lesson 5. Tactical patience often reduces harm more than force. Valentine's Law reflects policy choice. Fleeing is too dangerous to tolerate. The legal framework is clear. The tactical choices remain debatable. Body cameras serve justice by establishing facts over narratives. Let us know what cases you'd like analyzed in the comments below. Check out our second channel, Street Law, for more legal analysis. Thank you for watching.